Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to hide your YouTube subscriptions from other people and make them private. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your YouTube channel. So kailangan lang natin i-open ang ating YouTube channel. And once na-open na natin, so dito lang sa top right corner, and then kailangan mo lang i-click yung ating YouTube profile. So i-click mo lang yan. And next step, so scroll down. And kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung settings. So tap mo lang yan. At dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung privacy. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side ay dito lang sa privacy, under dito ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung subscriptions. Okay? So, kung paano ba natin i-hide yung ating subscribe channel from others? So, makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. And then, keep all my subscriptions private. Kapag in-enable natin ito, your subscriptions won't be visible to others unless you use features that make them public. Okay? So, kung paano ba natin i-hide? So, makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So, i-turn on or enable lang natin. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin ay naka-private na yung ating subscribe channel. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to hide your subscribe channels from others YouTube tutorial. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.